In today's video, King and Kamdyn will be showing you how to do the walking water science experiment. It's very easy, fun, and safe to do at home with your parent or guardian. The first thing you want to do is grab a cup and begin pouring the water in each glass until they're all full. Make sure that you leave every other glass empty. Then you want to take your food dye and begin squirting at least 2 to 3 drops in each glass of water. Now you're going to take a paper towel and fold it over 2 times in hot dog style. After your paper towel is folded, you want to begin placing them into the cups. Then, last one. Put this one in here. The orange is going up this paper. Green. Let's see what happens. Are you ready to see what happens? Yeah. Let's go get some more water.
We have green and orange.
Which one is orange?
This one.
Which one is green?
This one.
Which one is blue?
This one.
Yeah. Now there's nothing inside of the cups, the empty cups. There's nothing inside. 3 cups filled. All right, so in the morning when we come back, we're going to see what happens, okay?
Okay.
Whoop, whoop. Right now you can see that one is already starting to travel up the orange. And the green is too, and some of the blue. So we'll see what happens in the morning. It's the morning after, and now you can see that all of the cups have water in them. The forces between the water and the paper towel are stronger than the forces inside the water. As a result, the water travels up and across the paper towel, out of one glass and into another.
It changed colors.
It did? And did the empty cups fill up?
Yeah.
Is that so cool?
Mom, the empty cups is got in the green one.
Yeah.
The green one is green.
And the blue one.
Mom, you've only got the red one and the green one.
Yes, it did. Did you have fun doing this?
Yeah. Me.